Hello everyone, today we're going to make tomato keftedes, also known as Santorini style tomato fritters. You will need 700 grams of tomatoes, dice them not too small, not too thick, and put them aside. Add 6 spring onions finely diced, half an onion, 4 tablespoons of parsley, 4 tablespoons of mint and 2 tablespoons of dill. Then you want 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and oregano, salt and pepper. You might think the cinnamon is odd, but trust me. Then 200 grams of feta crumbled in, and give that a good mix together. Then you want to add 150 grams of self-raising flour and keep some aside. The reason I don't add it all now is because when you're putting the mixture into the oil, you might need to add a bit more flour if it's too watery. Mix that together. I've switched to my hand because it's easier. Set that aside for 30 minutes. Then in a pan of hot oil, add 1 tablespoon of the mixture. Add 5 at a time. Don't add more than that or you'll overcrowd the pan. Cook them for 3 minutes each side, maybe a little longer if they're not golden enough. Then take them out and set them aside on paper towel, and they're ready to serve. This recipe made 20 in total. They go brilliantly as part of a meze, really good with tzatziki. Enjoy! And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.